Hello, welcome to my lab. I am Didi and we will unbox stuff Facebook made me buy. Now that we introduced ourselves, let's hop to the unboxing. This is my lab, where things get mostly unpacked. Today, we will unbox and review together very popular and highly advertised items. One is a jewelry piece, and the other is a cute sparkly lamp. But enough of this, let's get this show on the lab table. First, I will start with the jewelry. Facebook's algorithm bombarded me with jewelry ads. All were very tempting and some I couldn't resist. One of them is Regalrose. What really captured me about Regalrose were the vintage looks their jewelry have. It reminded me of Renaissance craftsmanship and grandmother's jewelry that my grandmother kept in her little red jewelry case. Other than this, a big plus were the prices, although not entirely cheap, but not expensive either. Out of all pieces, what I love the most are the gold rings. They are truly stunning. On the website they state most of them are gold-plated sterling silver, so I thought to get a bit big and searched for a better option than this. And behold, I found it. The Maleficent Amethyst gold ring. This is an 18-karat vermeil gold, and as I have learned, vermeil is again gold-plated sterling silver, but is a different technique of gold plating. They use a much thicker layer of real gold, somewhere around 2.5 microns on top of 925 sterling silver, and as they say, it will last longer. The ring has cost me €114.95. It looks like it will indeed be a fair statement ring. I ordered it in size large, after I consulted the size chart right below at the details. Surprisingly, it arrived quite fast, and the pack looks gothic-y and beautiful. Let's check the content. I see the ring is inside a pouch, not an actual box. And oh, what is this? That's quite lovely. It's actually a card. It has instructions of how to care for the ring. I love the design. It's very vintage and gothic-y looking. Do you rip this off? And use it and use it as a frame for Instagram pic. So far I love the marketing of it. Well played, Regal marketeers, well played. But enough with the packaging. Let's see the pouch. What's inside of it? Okay, it's very hefty, it's a large piece, I love the amethyst tone. It's very deep purple. Amethyst is the only stone that its value rises according of how deep purple it is. And most important, the stone and the details on the gold design are exactly as pictured. And the ring is much larger than I expected it to be. Let's check the fit. It's a bit loose, but not loose enough to fall, so I love it. Overall, it was a very good buy, value for money, and I am definitely going to buy more from them. Let's say I'm hooked. Now it's time for the second item I got. So this is the second item, it's from Sparkly Roses. You see there is a theme here. Yes, it was pre-Valentine's Days. Sparkly Roses is a Californian company that has many rose-themed lighting fixtures and more. But the most cute and attractive of them is the Magic Enchanted Sparkly Rose. It gives me Beauty and the Beast vibes, and I totally wanted it really bad. I went straight and chose the amethyst one. Well, if I have a theme, I have to stick to it. I bought it for €36.99 with the Valentine discount, of course, and I was very excited. The point is they are in United States, but I live in Europe. So it took a while to get here, but not long enough. It arrived very fast, and I loved the tracking system they have. I was able to know exactly where my package was, even when it stayed a couple of days in Budapest. Overall, the tracking process was very optimal and kept me reassured that my package was moving closer towards me. I have to say that the package looks a bit distressed on the corners here. They included a thank you card with a discount code and a hashtag to post it on Instagram and get more discounts. That's very helpful. I love the pink cards. They are perfect. What more to ask of a package? Let's open the box. Oh, the ring is awesome. Okay. Styrofoam. Let's check it. Wow. It looks that it arrived in optimal condition. This styrofoam did its job very well and it protected it very good. It's so beautiful. Frankly, I am impressed. The rose is so sparkly and beautiful. So let's check how it works. It uses batteries. Three AAA batteries, actually. so we will take a short pause. I have batteries somewhere here. I go look for them and I will be back right in a moment. Okay. Have my batteries here and we are ready to use them. I need only 3 of them. Don't go. Okay, and the last one. What? Oh! As you can see, it's very sparkly and magic and shining and very glowy. I love it. And with this, my first unboxing video has come to an end. Overall, I totally loved my new items and were very pleasantly surprised. I have to inform you that this was a very happy journey for me because I'm not sponsored by any of those companies, and the decision of making the unboxing video came after I purchased them. Thank you all who stayed this far. I hope you had a very good time with me so far, and if you really liked my video, please like, subscribe and comment what you liked the most on it, or just say hi, and I will see you next time. Goodbye!